Hi everybody, me and George are back for another speed sounds lesson for phonics. So today we are going to learn another way to read and to write the A sound. So we already know two ways to read and write the A sound, and now we're going to learn another one. I know, crazy. So A, 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 A. I'm going to show you the picture. It's very on topic. It is a snail. A snail. And he looks very happy. And I would imagine that he is very happy because it's raining. And we know how much the snails love the rain. They love it when it's raining and wet. They don't like it when it's all dry. So this is a snail in the rain. Snail in the rain. A 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 snail in the rain. Okay, I'm going to Fred talk some words now. Can you blend them for me? Are you ready? Paid. Paid. Snail. Snail. Drain. Drain, well done. Paint. Paint, fantastic. Chain. Chain, somewhere I like to go on holiday. Spain. Spain. Rain. And stain. Stain, well done, fantastic. Let's have a look at how we spell the new way to read and write the A sound. So this is how we spell the new A sound, okay? So it's special friends A, an A and an I stuck together makes the A sound, okay? An A and an I stuck together makes the A sound. Let's have a look on our speed sounds chart, because I think that we have learnt all of the ways now. So we've got A, may I play? A, special friends, split friends, make a cake. A, may I play? A, make a cake. A, snail in the rain. So there's 3 ways we can spell the A sound, okay? 3 ways to spell the A sound. Today we're looking at this way to spell the A sound. Lovely. So let's, oh, I don't know why I'm putting that there because we need to do out, when I show you this side, can you say A? And when I show you this side, can you say A snail in the rain? Are you ready? Well done. Fantastic. That was really speedy. Okay, now we're going to put our new A sound into the pack of sounds that we already know. So let's really shuffle it in there. And you are going to do some speedy sounds for me, okay? Quick as you can. Ready? Ow, this is ow, okay? It's the most recent one we've learnt. Don't forget to point when you see the new sound. Hey, well done. Let's hide it again. Right, okay, are you ready? Off you go. Or as well. Ow. Oi. Air. Air. Ooh, fantastic. Or you. O. A. Not that one. E. A, snail in the rain. Well done. Fantastic. Good job, everybody. To look at some A words. Look at some words with the A sound in, okay? So we're going to have a go at reading some words with our new sound in. So we need to spot our new sound, and then we're going to Fred talk read the word. Okay. Off we go. Special friends. A, Fred talk read the word. N. Rain. Fantastic. Rain. Next one. Special friends. A, Fred talk read the word. Ain. Ain. Train. Well done. Train. Choo choo train. Next one. Special friends. A. Fantastic. Fred talk read the word. Paint. Paint. Well done. Paint. We love a bit of painting in reception, don't we? Next one. Special friends. A. Fred talk read the word. Paid. Paid. Well done. When we get paid, it means that we earn the money that we get for when we work. We get paid. Next one. Special friends. A. Fred talk read the word. Snail. 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 Well done. Snail. Last one. Special friends. A. Fred talk read the word. Tail. 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 Like a dog wagging his tail. Yeah, tail. Any animal that has a tail. I'm going to go through those now a little bit quicker. Can you try it and do Fred in your head or do them yourselves? Are you ready? Off you go. Yeah. Snail. Fantastic. Tail. Rain. Don't forget to look for that special friend first. Train. Paint. Paid. Well done. Fantastic. Can you give yourselves a big juicy watermelon smile for your excellent reading of those new green words? Let's do our review words now. Speedy green words, okay? I want you to try and do these Fred in your head as fast as you can. Look for the special friend. And then Fred in your head, actually. Fred in your head. Special friend, Fred in your head. And then tell me the word. Off you go. Town. Well done. White. Never. Well done. Good Fred in your head. June. Did you remember that split sound? Well done. Brute. Good. Dawn. Now. Yeah, not no. Now. No is spelled differently. Hurt. Split sound. Date. Date. Back to the beginning. Well done. Fantastic. Well done if you were spotting those special friends there. Really good job. Okay, let's have a go at writing some words now with our new way to spell the A sound. So we're going to be writing words with this sound in. So when you hear the A sound, it's going to have this sound in it because we're going to be practicing writing words with our new A sound, okay? Our new way to write it. So the first word we're going to write is, let's have a go at writing the word tail. 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 Pinch the sounds. T, a, oo, t, a, oo, tail. Write it down. Okay, have you got it? Can you tell me what sounds I need to write the word tail? Yeah, well done. I need a t, a. Special friends, A. And the last sound is tail. Fantastic. Tail. So underline your special friends, A. Tick your t, tick your A, tick your O. If it doesn't look like mine, fix it now, but I'm sure you've got that one. Okay, let's write chain. 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 Pinch the sounds. Ch, a, n. Ch, a, n. Ch, a, n. Chain. Chain. Two special friends. Write it down. Chain. Have you got it? Right, okay, so what's the first special friend in the word chain? Yep, it's a ch. Fantastic. Chain. Ch. A. Well done. Special friends, A. A, snail in the rain. Ch. A. Well done. Ch. A. Underline special friends, ch. Underline special friends, A. Tick your ch, tick your A, tick your n. Shall I give you a little tip? When I write and spell words, it is a good idea. Something that I do is go back and sound it out to myself to check that I spelt it correctly. So if I was writing chain, I would write, well, if I was writing paint, I'd go paint, p-a-int, paint, p-a-int, paint. And then, just to check it, I'll go back and read it. Pate. That's not right. Pain. What have I missed out? Pain. Pain. Oh, I've missed the n out. Paint. That's better. Can you see how I went back and I checked the spelling by sounding it out to myself? Even though I've written it, I still might have missed a sound, so it's a good way to check that you haven't missed any sounds, okay? So we're going to do one more. Let's do drain. Drain. So the drain is where the water goes down the drain in the sink, or the drains that you see on the pavements where the water goes down the rain down the drain. 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 Pinch the sounds. D, r, a, n. Dr, dr, a, n. Well done. Write it down for me. Drain. Have you done it? Drain. Listen carefully to the sounds at the beginning of that word, because it sounds like a j, drain, drain, but it's not. It's a d, drain. Can you hear? So what sounds do we need? Yep, we need a d, okay? Drain, drain. Can you hear that? Dur, dur. Sometimes a d and a r together sound like a j. Dr, dr. Special friends. A. Fantastic. Dr, a. Drain. Well done. Tick your d, tick your r, tick your a, and tick your n. If it doesn't look like mine, fix it now. Okay? Have a look, check if you've missed any sounds, that's okay. Just write them in. Well done. Okay, so now you officially know 3 ways to spell the